Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Demand pull inflation means spending is too hot, so we need policies that cool demand fast. Watch this. We can lock the right combo quickly. Demand pull inflation comes from excess spending, so both policymakers should go contractionary in the short run. That means using tools that reduce overall demand, not tools that stimulate borrowing or consumption. For fiscal policy, contractionary means the government spends less or taxes more. Here, decreasing government spending directly cuts aggregate demand, while lower taxes or higher transfers would push spending upward. For monetary policy, raising administered interest rates is best, especially with ample reserves, because higher rates still discourage lending and spending. That seals option A. Well done. Option A, scan now. Trap, rushing signs. Rule, trust the given condition about ample reserves and check each policy step stays contractionary.